Hello science enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the microscopic world to explore the fundamental building blocks of life. Cells, specifically. We're going to unravel the fascinating differences and surprising similarities between plant cells and animal cells. Have you ever wondered what makes a sturdy oak tree so different from a sprinting cheetah at the cellular level? Well, you're in the right place to find out. By the end of this video, you'll be able to spot the key players in each type of cell and understand why these differences are so crucial for the survival of plants and animals. So, grab your virtual microscope and let's get started on this cellular adventure. First things first, let's talk about what plant and animal cells have in common. Both are what we call eukaryotic cells, which is a fancy way of saying they have a true nucleus that houses their genetic material, the DNA. Think of the nucleus as the cell's command center, directing all its activities. Stink. About a tall sunflower standing upright in a field, that's the collective strength of billions of cell walls at work. And carbon dioxide to create their own food in the form of glucose or sugar. Cell. In a mature plant cell, there is a massive central vacuole that can take up to 80% of the cell's volume. This isn't just for storage. It plays a crucial role in maintaining turgor pressure. When the vacuole is full of water, it pushes against the cell wall, making the cell firm and rigid. This is why a well-watered plant stands tall and a dehydrated plant wilts. The central vacuole acts like an inflatable support beam thing. In contrast, animal cells may have several small, temporary vacuoles, but nothing like the massive permanent central vacuole you see in plants. So, let's quickly recap the three main differences we've covered. First, the cell wall. Plants have a rigid one for support, while animals don't, allowing for flexibility. Second, chloroplasts. These are the food-making factories in plant cells that perform photosynthesis, which animal cells lack. And third, the vacuole. Plant cells have a large central vacuole to maintain pressure and store water, while animal cells have small, temporary ones. These key differences in structure are directly related to the different lifestyles of plants and animals. Plants are stationary producers, making their own food, while animals are mobile consumers, needing to move to find theirs. Every single structural difference serves a purpose that helps them thrive in their respective environments. Let's think about this in a real-world context. Imagine a tree. Its strong, woody trunk is a result of countless rigid cell walls stacked together. Its green leaves are packed with chloroplasts, constantly converting sunlight into energy. The entire plant stays upright and healthy, thanks to the turgor pressure maintained by the large central vacuoles in its cells. Now think about you. Your ability to walk, talk, and move is possible because your cells lack a rigid wall. You get energy by eating food because your cells don't have chloroplasts to make their own. The flexibility of our cells allows for the formation of complex tissues, like muscles that contract and nerves that send signals. It's amazing how these tiny microscopic differences create the vast diversity of life we see all around us. So, while they might both be eukaryotic cells with a nucleus, mitochondria, and a cell membrane, the addition of a cell wall, chloroplasts, and a large central vacuole fundamentally changes the game for plant cells. It equips them perfectly for a life of being rooted in one spot, creating their own energy from the sun. The absence of these structures in animal cells is just as important, granting them the flexibility and mobility needed to seek out food and interact with their environment in dynamic ways. It's a perfect example of how structure dictates function in biology. One isn't better than the other. They are simply two brilliant, distinct solutions to the challenge of life. And there you have it. A tour of the major differences between plant and animal cells. From the protective cell wall to the energy-producing chloroplasts and the pressure-providing central vacuole. You now know the key features that set the plant kingdom apart from the animal kingdom at the most fundamental level. We hope this has helped you appreciate the incredible complexity and elegance of the cellular world. Next time you see a towering tree or look in the mirror, you'll have a deeper understanding of the amazing cellular machinery at work. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into the wonders of science. See you in the next video.